Hello guys, welcome back to my another video. In this video, I will show you how to create a Zoho CRM variables. So first log into your Zoho CRM account. Just go to the setting icon, click on that setting icon. This type of view available in your screen. Just go to the developer hub section and click on the variables. And then click on the create new variable, enter your variable name. So I'm entering my variable name is discount percent. It's auto populated its API name. Then you want to add some description for that variable, then you also able to add it in the edit here. And then you choose the variable type. I am selecting the variable type as decimal. If you want to initialize your variable value, then you able to add it here. Then you have to skip or left that value as empty. So I am initially initializing my discount percent variable values as 10. If you want to group that variable under new group, then you also create a new group here and choose it. If you want to select the default general option, then you select the general option and click on the save button. So once you click on the save button, the as you see the a variable Zoho CRM variable is created now. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more Zoho CRM tutorials. Thank you.